Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening the exact Excel workbook and the PowerPoint slide where the content will live. You don't waste time configuring preferences. Instead, select the chart or cell range now and give it a defined name in Excel so updates are predictable. Once done, switch to PowerPoint and choose the slide placeholder or blank area. Make sure to save both files in a stable location. When you paste, pick Paste Special and choose the linked option so the connection can update automatically. Now you paste the content as a linked Excel object. In PowerPoint, choose Home, right arrow, Paste Special, and select Paste Link to an Excel chart or worksheet object. You will then resize and position the object. Make sure to lock aspect ratio or use crop tools so visuals remain crisp. Once linked, return to Excel's data or chart tools to adjust values, labels, and formatting. These source changes are what drive the slide update, so tune the source until the slide looks exactly as planned. To finish, save the Excel workbook and then save the PowerPoint so the link metadata is recorded. Use File, right arrow, Info, right arrow, Edit links to see status and force updates. When you present, make sure Excel remains accessible on the same path, or embed a static copy if you need offline reliability. If something goes wrong, check the link path and file names first, reopen both files, and re-establish the link. This simple path mismatch is the most common issue and usually resolves the problem immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.